Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to make your own emojis on Discord mobile, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and go to Google Chrome or to your browser to download the picture that you want to make an emoji out of. I chose this meme right here. I go ahead and long tap it and then tap on download image. Once it is downloaded, I go to this website named remove.bg to remove the background. I tap on upload. I upload that image. I wait for the background to be removed and then I tap on download. After that I go to Discord. I tap on the server that I want to make the emoji in. I tap on the three dots right here. Then I tap on settings. After that I tap on emoji and then I tap on upload emoji. I allow access, of course. I go to my gallery and then I tap on the image that I just removed the background of. I crop it, adjust, and then tap on the tick on the top right corner. After that, I just go to chat where I want to add that emoji or send it. I tap on the emoji symbol and there it is. Just tap on send and that's how you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to your problems, and thanks for watching.